These companies can accelerate growth in the coming years. These are the growth stocks to buy as they represent fundamentally strong businesses. Pinterest. Growth in average revenue per user can be a game changer in terms of cash flow upside. Li Auto. New model lineup will boost deliveries growth and vehicle margin likely to remain healthy. Riot Platforms. Strong balance sheet and aggressive mining capacity expansion. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 growth stocks to buy for massive returns by 2025. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Finding the best growth stocks to buy can be a challenge. The equity markets are down, and the S&P 500 index is lower by 13% over a 12-month period. The market has been weak and dozens of stocks have plunged by over 50%. The markets have never failed to recover in the decades of financial history. The correction and sideways movement is therefore a good opportunity to consider growth stocks to buy for the next few years. Once the market sentiment reverses, several sound growth stocks are poised for multi-bagger returns. I would, however, point out here that it's still not time to go overweight on growth stocks. However, selective buying when there is fear on the streets makes sense. Let's discuss 3 growth stocks to buy for multi-bagger returns potential in the next few years. Number 1. Pinterest. Pinterest stock has trended higher by 17% for the first 3 months of the year. I expect this uptrend to sustain as key business metrics improve. For fourth quarter 2022, Pinterest reported 4% growth in monthly active users on a year-on-year basis. For the same period, revenue growth was also 4%. With Pinterest focused on making the platform increasingly shopping-friendly, the outlook is bright for ad revenue growth. It's also worth noting that the company's average revenue per user for fourth quarter 2022 from US and Canada was $7.06. For Europe, the average revenue per user was $1.01 and was just 14 cents for the rest of the world. In the coming years, the average revenue per user gap is likely to close. Even if active users remain the same, revenue growth and earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization margin expansion seems likely. Last year, Pinterest reported operating cash flow of $469 million. If the average revenue per user increases from emerging markets, I expect operating cash flow to be in excess of $1 billion by 2025. Pinterest also ended 2022 with cash and equivalents of $2.7 billion. The business seems like a cash flow machine in the coming years. Number 2. Li Auto. Among electric vehicle growth stocks to buy, Li Auto looks attractive at current levels. For year-to-date 2023, Li Auto stock has trended higher by 18%. However, the stock seems significantly undervalued considering the impending growth potential. For 2022, Li Auto reported sales of $6.39 billion, which was higher by 68.8% on a year-on-year basis. The company also reported healthy vehicle margin of 19.1%. I expect strong deliveries growth to sustain in 2023 and beyond. The first reason for this view is the launch of new models. At the beginning of 2022, the company generated sales from just one model, Li 1. Through the year, new models will boost the company's deliveries growth. Li Auto reported cash and equivalents of $8.47 billion as of fourth quarter 2022. This gives ample flexibility for new product development and an aggressive expansion in retail stores. Number 3. Riot Platforms. Bitcoin has been trending higher and the crypto winter is finally over. It's therefore a good time to consider exposure to attractive Bitcoin mining stocks. Riot Platforms is a top pick and has multi-bagger returns potential. A key reason to like Riot is a strong balance sheet. The company has navigated challenging times with zero debt. Further, the company ended fourth quarter 2022 with cash and equivalents of $230 million. Riot also has 7,058 Bitcoin in its balance sheet, which adds to the financial flexibility. Riot Platforms has also been aggressive on the mining capacity expansion front. As of February, the company reported capacity of 9.8 exahashes per second. Riot expects to boost capacity to 12.5 exahashes per second in the first half of the year. Considering the financial flexibility, further expansion is likely in the second half of 2023. Bitcoin halving is due in 2024. This is another catalyst for a rally in cryptocurrencies. I would not be surprised if Riot Platforms stock delivers 5x returns by 2025. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.